What's good, boys? What's good? Alright, we're good to go. Alrighty, let's have a good day. Let's have a good day. What's up, what's up? We are at all-time highs, so something to be cautious about. Whoa. We are making new highs. Dylan, can I borrow a piece of floss?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't need to request your location last night. I don't know why it said
Yeah, I was like, yeah, must really need some floss. You have some stuff new too?
Yeah, bro, it's like steak or something. It's been stuck in there
That's
for
the
like a
wor-
day.
bro, when you like can't get it out, it's the
Like,
worst.
yeah, no, it's such a big gas.
Yeah, I was thinking about giving it to you like in the morning. I didn't know if you were open there.
Appreciate it.
Must have been.
Rough sleeping with something.
Yeah, it's not good. Dude. I appreciate it.
Was the parking situation pretty tough last
Oh, dude. I straight up.
Just like kissed one of the cars over there.
Yeah, Will was struggling this morning. We went
Oh,
to go
yeah.
get coffee. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I knew it would be not fun.
Yeah.
I had
Dude,
to-
holy spike on that one.
Oh yeah, we're going to all-time highs.
Already streaming right now.
Mm-hmm. Oh well, welcome to the stream, Dylan. Oh, dude, look what I just got on my teeth. It's disgusting, but that was sitting in there the whole time. Bro. Alright, I'll see ya.
Yeah.
I've had some fucking steak stuck in my teeth for like a day. Which was so annoying, and I don't have floss in my crib. Now I'm back in college. Yeah, I'm just living with my friends, so I don't go to school. Get like the best of both worlds. I could have gone out and got like my own apartment, but bro, I'll never be 19 living in a college town with 6 of my buddies ever again, so that would not make sense to. Go. Dead chat today. Nobody's really saying nothing. Not trading. Want to see what you would take. On the way to Ob. Let's go, bro. Let's go, Grippo. Yeah, obviously I don't want to take shorts at all-time highs, but I feel like this might be the only move. It's either I don't take shorts now, and then I wait for a retracement back up, or shorts present itself, and I'm looking for something intriguing. I just need to see more momentum, though. We're not really kind of just dicking around right now. Something like that, though. Even then, that still kind of seems like a trap. Take it. Should have entered on the close, but And that's fucked like 3 times in a row, dude. Biggest losing streak in a fucking minute. Just be like that. Just fucking be like that. Bottom ticking, yeah, seriously, that was a reverse bottom tick. I knew I knew that was either gonna be a trap or we're just gonna inverse this fucking 30-second and go up higher. Yeah, definitely not the best fucking price action, but also was not the best trade. Why not wait for the retrace? Because I just go off momentum. I don't know, ES is pushing higher. We got CISTs on both ES and NQ, so. Just another unfortunate day for your boy, bro. This is not a good run of me. Cannot lie. Rip in the chat. Bottom tick, then top ticked, and then now we're gonna smash TP. How's crypto going? It's going pretty good. I'm just slowly learning. I feel like that's what's kind of messing with me a little bit. But it's all part of the process. All part of the process. You can say horrible setup, but I mean, if that's my setup that's worked for me over and over and over again, and I'm just like, and I'm just getting unlucky, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? People call my setups horrible even when they smash TP, but just is what it is. I mean, you can go back and look at my YouTube. There's a recent I streamed for free, so. I only trade 30-second? Yes, I mainly trade 30-second. In this PA, though, I probably should have waited for a 1 minute, but yo, I might go back to Forex without shit these markets been. Yeah, don't blame you. Do I know when the next 90% off Apex sale is? It's probably coming up, I'm not gonna lie. How do you trade all-time highs? People say not to short all-time highs, but in my opinion, it's the only time where there's going to be targets, unless you have a setup like this. Like, you could, not financial advice, but you could long this here and then take just your high here and call it a day there. But I don't know. I do kind of like to catch retracements on all-time highs, but as you see, I just got fucked there, so it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, you guys are watching, like, live in the flesh. Like, okay, I could have, the market's been bad, right? And the past 3 days, I could have overtraded, or I've taken 3 losses in a row. It sucks to suck, right? Yeah, it's, I mean, it just is what it is. But, like, this just goes to show that if I took 3 losses in a row, yeah, I could overtrade right now. Be like, oh my god, I'm down 3 losses. Like, I need to make all my money back. But I know long term, I'll make all my money back. If I lose the accounts, right? I'm pretty sure if I lose one more time, I lose the accounts. And if I do, it is what it is. Like, it's not the end of the world. I'm not worried about it. I know I can go buy more accounts, restart this process, and be even better off. You know what I'm saying? So it's really not, like, I don't really ever, like, worry about it or stress about it. It just, whatever the market gives me, it gives me. If I lose, I lose. I move on to the next day, and if the market gets better, amazing. I'm there for when the market gets better. But if it doesn't, it doesn't, and I move on. It's just that simple. Guarantee that I'll come out of this 3-loss streak into the biggest win streak I've ever had. I can promise you that. Just sometimes you gotta endure the losses. No, I didn't lose any of the accounts, but I think if y'all lose one more time, I might lose some. Yeah, I already traded. I mean, I'm as transparent as it gets. I could lie to y'all's face, be like, no, I'm not losing accounts. But I can tell you right now, a lot of your favorite influencers, they're losing accounts left and right, starting up a new stack and just not like saying anything about it. There's a reason I stream my P&L. There's a reason I stream everything, so you guys can see everything. You don't like, you'll never not know. No, I didn't lose any of the accounts yet. No. I could have requested a 6K payout on this account if I wanted to. But I'm like not going to, because that'll move me to live, and I don't want to get moved to live yet. Yeah, I mean, it's just normal in bad price action. It's just like, if you're taking your setups, like you shouldn't be hesitant on like not taking your setups. Even though here today I was a little hesitant, not gonna lie. Like, let's see if I entered at the right time. Yeah, if I entered at the right time, I wouldn't have been stopped out and would have gone break even, but I was just a millisecond slightly late, and it kind of screwed me over. And it's part of the game. No, it is smart, because, okay, if I requested the 6K, I would have been moved to live, and I wouldn't be able to get any more Apex accounts. Like, I would have just had to work with what I had, but now, since I'm not on live, if I lose some of my accounts, I can go buy more accounts and restart the whole process. Like, I'm not worried about it. Versus if I got moved to live and requested the Apex, they do have live. They move you to live after you get 6 consecutive payouts on one account. You guys are probably like, bro, how did JadeCap get the $2.5 million payout on Apex? Well, this is exactly what he did. He built up all of his accounts to the 6th consecutive payout. Once you're on the 6th consecutive payout, you can pull out all the money that's in the account. You can draw it all the way down to 50K. So if you're at 100K, you can pull out 50K all the way down, and then you get moved to live after that. It's just part of the game. Part of the game. How much money have I made from trading? I've made over 20K from trading in the past, probably in the past 5 months, maybe 4 months. Every month, though, I've made more from trading. You're able to do that on Apex. No, you don't make as much when you move to live, because once you're on live, you're only trading one account. So, yeah, you can pull out your money every day, but, it's not really... I'd rather be pulling out money on, a week-and-a-half basis out of 20 accounts versus pulling out money on one account on a day basis, you know what I'm saying? How much money have I lost in trading? I lost about 3K before I made my first dollar in trading, I think. Took me about a year. Yes, I copy trade funded accounts. I do run multiple props, but right now I was running Take Profit Trader and Apex, but now I'm just running Apex. But depending on how this session goes, I'll probably and depending on how the rest of the week goes, if I keep all the accounts, I think at the end of this week I probably will buy some My Fun Futures accounts and Alpha Capital accounts, and run up those while having all my Apex accounts. And I can copy trade all those as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the live on Apex is not the best. I don't know, just going live in general, you really don't... you have to flex if you can get to live, good for you, but it's not really what you want to actually do. Especially with Apex. Apex is one of those firms that you want us to not be live with. But, I mean, it's different because the other firms, it's it's not like Apex. Just once you get to a certain point, they're just gonna move you no matter what. They're just gonna kick you off your accounts and they're just gonna say you're a live trader now. Versus Apex, you can like methodically go about it and not get moved to live. Like you can basically, like you can milk the shit out of them before you actually get to live. Why short all-time highs? I don't know. I just believe in the retracement when we're at all-time highs, but it isn't. Yeah, it's not the most optimal to be honest, but it is what it is. Boom. Let's see if I had hypothetically taken this. Yeah, I would have hit TP on that.
Fucking pants. But you know what? It's not gonna make me have a bad day. I'm gonna keep working.
It is what it is. How long have I been trading? I'll be coming up on 2 years in about in January of 2026. So yeah, as you see, would have been chilling there, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Can't do much about it. Alrighty, boys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. No, I don't take trades after one loss. I'm just done for the day and I move on to the next day. Just part of my risk management and psychology. Just gotta learn from your losses and move forward. So I've gotten 20k in pads, but you're not. Yeah, because I mean, as I said, it just doesn't make sense to request a 6k. Like I know I'll be able to make a lot more money with other. Okay, yeah, I could request 6k out of one account, or I could just build up 3 other accounts and request 6k as well. Like, not worried about it. Gotta think in probabilities, exactly. What if I can't? Well, I know I will. That's the difference. That's just what comes with profitability. Like, if you just know you're a profitable trader, like, this is what it is. And if I lose the account, I don't really care. I'll just make another account. The probabilities are in my favor, and I can guarantee you that. How can you pass in one day with Apex? You just full port an account. That's at least what I do. My sessions today, the class will be at 2:30 today. I am beyond break even at this point. Seven days trading is for after. That's once you're past the account. Alright, boys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off there. I hope y'all have a good rest of your day. Don't overtrade. No, you do not have to take 7 days to pass an eval. You can literally pass in one day on Apex. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't overtrade. Be smart. And if you're not a student right now, I'm hosting class every single day, Monday through Friday at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. We're still very early on in the boot camp, so if you guys are interested, hop on in. It'll probably be the best decision you ever make for $75. I can promise you that. But with that being said, I will see you guys. Students, I'll see you guys at 2:30. And live streamers, I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 9:30. Deuces, everybody.